Hi scientists, you have been learning the difference between rotation and revolution. And today you are going to show me what you know. Literally, you're going to show me what you know. I wanted us to start in our science journals today because we are going to make a to-do list. Because you're going to need to go gather some supplies. And so you can take, after we make your to-do list, you can take this with you wherever you need to go in your house to gather your supplies, and then you can bring it back because eventually you will need your Chromebook. Okay, so as I'm writing, I'd like for you to be writing. Anytime that you need to click pause, go ahead and do that. Okay, so your work today, you will be making one thing you're going to do is make rotation model. And so like that's one thing you're going to do. Another thing you're going to do is make revolution model. I'll get into the details in just a little bit. Okay, now you are going to show me rotation and you are going to show me revolution. But both models, you're going to make two models in one video. Okay, so even though that you are going to show me two models, you're going to be making one video. In the model, so each model must contain the sun and Earth. Now, maybe you're thinking, Mrs. Hubbard, I do not have a sun and I don't have a globe. That is okay. It doesn't have to be. So like I'm looking around my workspace right now and I see my cup that I've been drinking water out of and I see my computer mouse. And so if I made the cup my sun and the Earth my computer mouse, so here's my computer mouse, like I can use those two things. One is the sun, one is the Earth. And I can use them to show what rotation looks like, and then I can use them to show what revolution looks like. So this is where I'm excited because you guys are going to get creative. Okay, now that you know this, you're going to make sure that you want to gather your supplies before filming. I'm also looking around and I see a basketball. I see a soccer ball at my house. Ooh, I see a lamp. Like I could use the lamp as my sun and I could use the soccer ball as Earth. If you have a flashlight could be the sun. If you have a flashlight on your phone could be the sun. Okay. So on your list, you have gather my supplies before filming. And then once you're ready, so once you know what is going to be the sun and what's going to be the Earth, and you have your supplies, then in Schoology, you're going to use the Flipgrid link in Schoology. Okay, and you can write the word Schoology. I think that's a long word to write, and so I use this as Schoology. So what's going to end up happening is that your Flipgrid video is going to sound something like this. You're going to say, this is, because you can't see right now, so you would say, this is Earth rotating. And whatever you have as Earth, you are going to show me Earth rotating. Maybe you are Earth. And so if you are Earth, you would show me rotating. Then you can use the same supplies, but we need the sun for revolution. And so in your model, if the lamp is the sun and you are the Earth, then in your video, show me revolution. Okay? Remember, you can also use words like rotating, revolving, but just make sure that you know that in your one video, you are going to show me what it looks like for Earth to rotate, and then you're going to show me what it looks like for Earth to be revolving. Okay, so go gather your supplies and then come back and you'll go to the next step in Schoology.